Today I'm reviewing the Choc Hazelnut Chia pudding by Soulara. Soulara is an online meal delivery service that is 100% plant-based, so perfect for vegetarians and vegans or those who simply want to include more plants in their diet, which is a great thing for everyone. Now this is based on a subscription model, so you order a number of meals each week, choose the type, and they come straight to your door. Soulara aim to use really nutritious ingredients that are whole foods, no refined ingredients in there, and as I said, no animal products including meat, fish, dairy, eggs, so all vegan and vegetarian friendly. Now this chocolate hazelnut pudding is part of Soulara's breakfast range. They have about 5 different breakfast options, which are sweet, and then a couple that are savory. Now this serve is 200 grams, so a little bit smaller than their main meals. But it did get me confused because they actually delivered 2 of these packs. Now originally I thought that they had made a mistake and that I was a little bit lucky getting a bonus meal, but it's because they actually are giving you 2 serves for that same price of 1 meal. So the labeling actually is a little bit incorrect. They actually have the serving size on the individual label as 2, so it is a little bit confusing in terms of trying to work out the macronutrients, but I believe it's just a typo and it should be 1 with these macronutrients just for this one container. So the thing I love about the Choc Hazelnut Chia pudding is that there's not that many ingredients in here. Often with some of these convenient breakfast / dessert style options is that you have a whole lot of different ingredients in there, particularly sweeteners and natural flavors that are not so natural. So that's a great thing about this product. Hazelnuts are the main ingredient in this dish, but chia seeds are actually the second ingredient, and one that I wanted to point out because they are really great for vegans in particular and vegetarians, but also just for health in general. One, because they contain all the 9 essential amino acids in there and also are a good source of omega-3s. Chia seeds are also high in fiber and also trace minerals like calcium. So they are a great addition and easy to put in lots of different meals, like making a chia pudding. Just keep in mind though, the protein content of this breakfast is only 9 grams. Now that's a little bit low for me for a breakfast option because you really want to start your day with something a little bit more nutritionally balanced and rich in protein to make sure that you've got the energy, you've got the blood sugar regulation, and you're also really building on those neurotransmitters and helping to repair the muscles and build cells, etc. So I would like to see a little bit more protein in here if I was going to have this as a breakfast. The other thing it does have, as I said, is hazelnuts, hemp seeds, coconut. These are all going to be healthy dietary fats to include in our diet. And it's not super high in sugar as you sometimes see with these sweet bowls at 11 grams. But keep in mind that that's about nearly half your recommended daily intake of added sugar. So I wouldn't be following up this with a sweet treat in the afternoon or a dessert after dinner. So this is what it looks like. It does have that classic chia seed consistency, that jelly-like gelatinous consistency. I love that you've got the whole additions of the nuts and cacao nibs and also the coconuts, which is great because it breaks up that texture of the chia seeds quite a bit. One thing that I was expecting was that it would be really rich in chocolate, and it's definitely not that. So you just kind of taste a bit of the nuts and a bit of the coconut, but otherwise it's pretty bland. It's not also overly sweet. So if you're hoping that it's going to be a real sweet hit in the morning or as an afternoon treat, it's definitely not that, which is just okay for me in terms of the level of sweetness. I actually probably would be more inclined to divide this up into two and have it as an afternoon snack. So overall, it does have all whole food natural ingredients, which I love, and as I mentioned, there are some really nutritious ingredients such as the chia seeds, the nuts and the hemp seeds, but it's just lacking a little something for me. And being that I know how easy it is to quickly make some of these chia puddings at home, I'd be more inclined to use the meal choice for one of their other main meals that have some more ingredients and they probably take a little bit more time to prepare at home.